Welcome back to 44 Tech Zone. Today, let's talk about the need for speed in our smartphones. Sure, our phones are already pretty quick, but there's always a demand for more speed, especially with the rise of AI features and the need for long-term support on Android devices. Exciting news from Qualcomm. They're gearing up to launch the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip in October. This new chip introduces something called Phoenix cores, custom made by Qualcomm to give your phone an extra kick, especially in the race against Apple's chips. What's special about the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 is its rumored 3nm technology, making it incredibly small and incredibly fast. The main core can reportedly reach speeds up to 4.3 GHz, surpassing even the previous Snapdragon chip. Leaks from South Korea suggest that this chip might outpace Apple's A18 chip in speed tests. However, there's a caveat. All this speed might lead to increased power consumption and potential overheating issues. So, while we're excited for faster phones, we'll need to keep an eye out for any heat-related issues. Thanks for tuning in. If you enjoyed this update, remember to like and subscribe for more tech news. Until next time, take care.